Amalinda yini, amalinda avelaphi.
One thing that engiyaziyo ngamalinda, they never experience a trance.
Okay, interesting.
Into nje abavukwa umoya, abavukwa isithunywa, abavukwa idlozi, ningashaya igubhu, ningacula, ningashaya impempe nenzeni, they'll just be silent as they are. One last thing about umuntu olilinda, kuyenzeka Phathanani ube yilinda, but kube kuukuthi awunaso isipho esidala.
Okay.
But unedlozi elidala.
Where I stayed 2 years and still after I stayed 3 years without sex. I then, a couple of years later, underwent iphehlo route, still very high sexual feelings, and that Gobela once swore at me, saying, when I sleep, I masturbate. I wondered how, because clearly she didn't need to announce that to her brother and husband. All she had to do was why men have wet dreams and women have spiritual husbands.
Ikhona nje into spiritual husband kakade, because it's not there.
Are you asking me? You can't ask me. I'm asking you.
It's not there. It goes back.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Phathanani Mbatha. Hello everyone. Welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Phathanani. I am your chef, and I've got my friend here.
Kunjani mtas?
You are back?
By popular demand, Sithandwa, we are here. We have been called. We have been summoned by the Munchies
And Thoughts family.
And we are here to teach. Nothing much, nothing less. Lalela babes, sizoshubisa.
But how are you doing, my friend?
I'm fine, I'm good. Thank you for having me once again, hey?
Thank you for joining me. I am honored to have you.
Yeah.
Let me not take a shine away from you.
Yes.
Please tell our Munchies, who are you, where you from, and what's special about you. And you are more than welcome to leave your number. Maybe after the episode, some of the Munchies might want to contact you.
All right. Emaqhumeni nasemadwaleni omhlaba phezulu entabeni zokhahlamba phansi emgedeni kwelamathongo siyakhuleka. I go by the name of Smart Makhosisizwe. Ngiyisazi, I'm a numerologist and I'm a spiritual teacher. For those that are looking for me, you can find me on all my social platforms. Smart Makhosisizwe, Smart Ngimbeka Buthelezi, 061 2306 479. 061 2306 479.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ngizwile usichazile ukuthi ungubani ubuyaphi and uyishile number yakhe, because some of the Munchies, they will always ask me, can I please have a number yale guest obuhlezi nayo?
Oh.
Can I please? Like, you understand?
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
can't
yeah,
just give people's numbers without their consent.
Yes.
Because it's wrong.
True.
You know, one day I want to ask you. Actually, let me ask you today. Why you have two surnames?
Smart Ngimbeka Buthelezi.
Barrow. Are you?
It's my No, it's my mother's side and my father's side. The Nyembe is from my mother's side and the Buthelezi is from my father's side. Well, I was married before, but I no longer use the marital surname.
So now using both of them only, like, even on your ID, or it's not?
I'm currently on that process.
You want to put it on your ID as well?
Yes.
Anyway, babulama makhaya namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume ngamalinda sizwe. Kahle amalinda yini, amalinda avelaphi? Like, let's talk.
Okay. So there's a difference between umuntu oyilinda and the spirit of amalinda.
Okay.
Yes. So for someone oyilinda, we are automatically talking about someone here who has a very ancient spirit, or not, let me not say a very ancient spirit, but someone who has a very ancient gift. That means the gift has been in your family for like about 5-6 generations upwards. In most cases, maybe the gift have been there for like about 7 centuries. and the type of idlozi that has been going nalesi sipho lesi from generation to generation kusuke kuumuntu osuke esefike kumuntu afika wathola indawo yokuhlala, because right at the beginning ubizo lusaqala ngaleso sikhathi leso sipho sisafike emndenini wakini besisahlupa mhlawumbe usabo whoever who was possessing that previous custodian who was possessing that type of a gift wayephakanyelwa idlozi mhlawumbe wahamba yothwasa and all did whatever that they have to do. But now you are maybe the 7th or the 6th or the 8th custodian to lesi sipho lesi. Leli dlozi malifika kwena lifike lithole indawo yokuhlala liseklishe. It's either it's in your sacral chakra or it's in your throat chakra, wherever it finds peace. Now when lifika lihlala, there is no longer a need yokuthi lilokuliphakama now and again lokuliphakama uvuka umoya noma uvuka isithunya uvuka whatever uvuka idlozi. Most of all, one thing that engiyaziyo ngamalinda, they never experience a trance.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, into nje abavukwa umoya, abavukwa isithunywa, abavukwa idlozi, ningashaya igubhu, ningacula, ningashaya impempe nenzeni, they'll just be silent as they are. But one thing that is very much I'm strong about them is that as silent as they are and ninganicula, you are actually charging them. Yes, you are actually charging them, and once you are man charger, they become very connected intuitionally and telepathically. Ningahlala nonke abanye baphakame bathi ngibona ukuthi abanye bavuka amadlozi and all of that, but kube kuthi yena lapha hleli khona, he can actually sense ukuthi uphethwe yini, he can actually see ukuthi uphathana nophethwe yini, kwenzakalani uphathana nodinga ini and all of that, but without showing any physical lokunjana sign yokuthi ngisemoyeni ongenedlozi or whatsoever, ongenwe idlozi or whatsoever, but liyakwazi ukuphakama lihlale aliphakama ukuthi likhulume, but liphakama libe uye naye like this. And when it does this, he gets to be connected nalo, then bese interpret what the ancestor is saying.
Okay.
But for someone osaphakanyelwa idlozi liyaphakama lifike lime kanje, then when you get suppressed bese kukhuluma idlozi.
Okay.
Then bazokhuluma idlozi fike lizwe ukuthi mina ngubani wakabani kwasha kwacima kwasala amalahle umoya uphakama uthi ugogo wakho uthi umkhulu wakho uthi washa kwacima and all of the, but umbona ukuthi umuntu usemoyeni. But as for ilinda, they just go like this, they become one, because leli dlozi selithole indawo yokuhlala again, then they just become one like this bese interpret ke ukuthi no ngibona into eso kwasha this and this and this and that. One of the signs futhi that I also one of the signs that I also got to notice about abantu abangamalinda bashesha bagugelwe izinto impahla, like ziyashesha ukuguga for like ama garments, ama spiritual garments wabo. Umuntu akhona ngasithungisa namhlanje sambatho 2-3 months down the line sesiphuma ikhala, sesibukeka ngazathi sindala, but one might say it's because of maybe lokunjani fabricating ilifake or what, but kusuke kuyisipha suka naso, because the older the garment looks, the more powerful it becomes.
Amalinda.
Yes.
Okay.
The type of a garment asuka nangesikhathi leso, the older it looks, the more powerful it becomes.
The garment or
yes. Leso sambatho leso asuka naso. That is why like ngingamelanga sibuke ngazathi sisha, because nalabantu hamba nabo badala. Have you ever noticed ukuthi ogogo bethu babesebenza ngabantu and mhlambe bengabathandazi babeyizangoma, uthola ukuthi uneduke eligreen, but unayo imali ukuthi angathenga elinye iduke eligreen, but uzoloka asebenzisa lona ngisho noma seligugile ulibona ukuthi ngazathi liphuma ikhala, but uzoloka aqhubeleka asebenzisa lona. It's because the older it looks, the older it becomes, the more powerful it becomes. So you understand. Another thing futhi enganga notice ngabo is that abahloleki, okay, let me not say abahloleki, but kudingeka ukuthi ube in a certain spiritual level yabo in order for you to actually as a healer ukuthi ukwazi ukumhlola umuntu oyilinda, because of the majority yabo mabefika bezohlola, they have this darker image abanayo ngokwendalo yabo. So umuntu akhona mefika ezohlola kuvele ubumnyama, kube ngazathi unesilwane, kube ngazathi udinga some cleansing nyana bese khani lo moyo phakathi yenu uyakhuluma. Mostly they are mistaken to abantu abanenzunza. Mostly they are mistaken to abantu abanezilwane, mostly they are mistaken to people abanesichitha abanesigcwagcwanyana okumele baklinwe sona because of mawufika uzomshayela amathambo avela ngakhuluma or uvela uthi no ngikhehla ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe wena kumele uhlole mina because I see you can actually sense ukuthi this person is in a certain hierarchy level of some sort, but somehow you can't figure out to which hierarchy level because there's this darker cloud embozile, there's this darker image anayo. Why? The black image in itself, it's like all colors emhlabeni zizalwa black.
Okay.
So the black is the mother. Basically, it's how ancient the gift is. As ancient as it is, it returns back to the darker color, the black in itself. This is how old I am. Yingakho you wouldn't find umuntu akhona abukeka as white or mhlambe izambatho zababa nazo spiritual garments that they would usually have. You wouldn't find them banabo green and yellow, blue and yellow, all these brighter colors ozoyithola ezambatho and all of that. But usually most of them they have very darker garments. It's black or kubo maroon or kubo purple, but it's usually mostly darker colors. Because in spirituality, siqala ngama brighter colors, or white, or yellow, or green, see, royal blue. But the higher you go, it's the more the colors of the garments they get darker. It's the more you get to the black.
Okay, you are fast.
Okay.
Fast.
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay.
You're very fast. I'm getting lost.
Okay.
But before you go, are you still talking about Amalinda?
I'm still there. I'm still there.
Okay.
I'm still there.
Okay.
As I'm explaining ukuthi izambatho zabo, you wouldn't find them zinama brighter colors. Why? It's because of isipho abanaso sisuke sisidala and it carries a certain ancient knowledge. So kusho ukuthi leli dlozi lomuntu lona asuke analo akusidlozi elisafuna ukuqalela phansi eliphinde ukukhuliswa. Lidala already, it carries a certain knowledge. It's like what? A sanusi of some sort. You can put it like that. So in most izambatho abanazo ziba dark.
Okay.
The higher you grow in spirit, pathanan, ungaqala ngezambatho ezi abo white, pink, yellow, green and yellow. But the higher you go, it's the more the garments they turn darker. It's the more they become black, purple, maroon, warara, till there. And another thing that I also got to realize ngabo. Banenkinga yecathulo. They usually don't like shoes. It's that they don't like shoes or icathulo zabo ziyashesha ukuguga or bona ngokwabo kahlahla ngibelanga bafake icathulo. Reason being it's that as ulilinda uphethe isipho esidala or unaleli dlozi elidala elikwena, when you are depressed or you have some certain emotional problem of some sort, the earth in itself, it needs to provide you with the healing ngokwayo. So that is why idlozi lingahle lenze ukuthi ulahlekelwe izicathulo noma izicathulo zakho zisheshe ziguge, because lifuna ukuthi at some point kube ngazathi ungahamba ngenyawo so that the earth in itself can provide the healing that you need. Therefore abanye baba naleyo nkinga leyo ukuthi mhlamba abathanda amakawusi or abathanda ukufaka igcathulo in most cases, kodwa noma shema angafaka igcathulo ngazathi angafaka igcathulo ezingama push in so amaphaca inyako likwazi ukuthola umoya, likwazi ukuyiphilela nje libe lodwa. Then one last thing about umuntu olilinda, kuyenzeka phathanani ube yilinda but kube kuukuthi awunaso isipho esidala.
Okay.
But
okay.
Unedlozi elidala.
Okay, wait. So kunesipho sakudala.
The ancient gift.
Kube nedlozi
elidala. Yes.
Okay, proceed.
So kuyenza ukuthi ube yilinda but kube kukuthi you are not gifted with a certain ancient gift, but uphethwe abantu abadala, people who are very ancient. And masithi ancient is sikhuluma ngabantu who are part of your family lineage, but nokhokho wakho mhlambe even your great grandmother akabazi. So if you have those type of people, kuyenzeka futhi ukuthi uyithole ulilinda, you'd experience the very similar symptoms that I've just noted down. But kube ukuthi nawe awuphakanyelwa idlozi, kube ukuthi nawe you don't go to a trance, but you're still experiencing the same similar symptoms that I explained. Then kube khona umoya wamalinda.
Okay.
Umuntu oyilinda lo siceda kumchaza.
Yes.
Bese kube khona umoya wamalinda.
Okay.
Umoya wamalinda, it's a certain marine spirit, umoya wasemanzini. Most yabantu abangamalinda, they do have this type of a spirit, but kuyenzeka futhi uthola umuntu oyilinda enganawo lo moya. But it's to uyilinda because of you carry ancient ancestors, or uyilinda because you carry the ancient gift. So for the spirit in itself, as a marine spirit, naso futhi sinama symptoms waso or sinama signs esiye siwabonise ukuthi I'm also present empilweni yakho. One thing, you will dream of abantu abadala but bavela ngasemanzini. Kube ngazathi labantu baphuma ngaphansi komhlaba but baphuma emanzini, and they speak a very foreign language to you, but it will be mostly black people. These people, they're very ancient. That's also one of the signs of umoya wamalinda. Then dreaming of imalendala, old money. Yeah. It could be foreign currency or imalendala. Okay, foreign currency could go for anyone, because usually when you dream of foreign currency, it's like you are invited to a certain kingdom. The spirit is actually telling you ukuthi uyamenywa. It's either umenywe ehlane noma umenywe emanzini. Because if you get to a certain country, you have to use the currency yakuleyo ndawo leyo. So the marine amanzi ngokwabo, they are a certain kingdom ngokwawo. When usuka emhlabeni umenywe ukuthi uze ngasemanzini, which is a certain kingdom. So it's like a metaphoric message the spirit says ukuthi you are invited, please come, there's something I want to show you, or kunamandla sinokugcwalisela ngawo. Okay. But for people abanamalinda, yes, they will dream of old money or old, but mostly kuba ama old coins, kuba imali endala, or they will come across you in ehlathini or somewhere behamba, but kube ukuthi it's those old coins as they are. And another thing, into engifuna ukuthi uyazi phathana nokuthi emaphupheni, the bigger the animal, the bigger the building, or the bigger or the taller lo muntu ohamba nayo or lo muntu ombonayo, it actually represents ubudala balobo muntu lobo. Oh. How that person has the years that person has lived emhlabeni. Let's say mhlawumbe uyaphupha uyahamba, but this person ohamba nayo is very tall ungdlula wena. It's actually saying to you, I'm ancient, ngimdala. This is how old I am. So most people, they will usually dream of ilokunjana ilwane zasemanzini, but mabeyibona bangaziboni zincane, bazibone zinkulu. Let it be a big snake, or let it be a seal. Seal is ilokunjana ngesizwe sithi inkomo yolwandle. Inkomo yolwandle represent amadlozi amadala, very ancient ancestors. Or you dream of a big tortoise, kube ngazathi mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi intaba, but mathi uyabheka, it's a very big tortoise. It will represent it will also be part of ilokunjana, the spirit of amalindi umuntu anazo. Or njengoba explain ukuthi nomuntu omude and all of that. Let us clarify this one. Umuntu oyilinda akathwasi.
Oh yes, I wanted to ask you ukuthi amalinda kwenzakalani, bayathwasa nabo bayahamba uhlala bagobela, or baba ma self initiate. Can you please explain that?
Umuntu oyilinda akathwasi, but however baye bathole someone obasizayo endleleni ukuze bakwazi ukuphothula whatever gift that basuke bayinayo ngaleso sikhathi leso, that ancient gift abasuke banayo. Nakhona futhi this type of a spirit asikhethi bani nabani. Sikhetha someone who is in quite the same spiritual rank naso. Okay. Ukuthi at least nangomuntu hamba uphathanani nguye uzokusiza ukuthi at least ukwazi ukwenza 1 or 2, njengamanje ngifuna ukuthi ungidlela igobongo, or njengamanje ngifuna ukuthi ungenzele ini, hamba kuphathanani nguye uzokusiza. Then they get to be sorted ngaleyo ndlela, but they don't initiate. Abathwasi.
So I'm just asking, are they falling under self-initiate?
Would you put them as self-initiate? Yeah. Definitely, because of they would walk the journey alone. It's a self-discovery journey. That is why we say self. It's a self-discovery journey. You discover yourself. Within this initiation journey where you are initiating, you are also self-discovering yourself, because the power that you have doesn't come from a certain higher being. But the whole journey itself is trying to teach you that the power ingaphakathi kwena. Wena mfanekiso kaNkulunkulu, wena mfanekiso womuntu, wena mfanekiso, you are the high divine in yourself. So yeah, I will put them as part of the self-initiate
okay.
club.
The second question, ukhuluma ukuthi labantu abanamalinda or ilinda abahloleki. Sometimes you go umuntu yohlola, then umuntu mhlambe kwenzeka ukuthi hey wena ungabe uyangihlola.
Yes.
And then ukhuluma ukuthi abanye uzothi mhlambe uyamhlola bese ubona ngathi unesilwane. So I wanna just your thoughts. Don't you think there are a lot of people abanamalinda abahlolwayo bese bethi banezilwane?
there's a lot yabo. There's quite a lot yabo because of yazi lento lena ifuna ube ne-knowledge as a healer and ube broad mntasekhaya ube broad to your point yokuthi you understand how universal spirits they work ungabi phela edlozini because uma ngaba edlozini kuphela yonke into uzoyithatha ngalendlela ivela ngakhona then uthi no ugobe langifundisa ukuthi ukuso then unoyithathe ngalendlela engakhona but it requires a certain universal spirit or a certain universal knowledge ube in that level ukuthi understand ukuthi kunomoya oso and usebenza kanje nakanje so baningi abantu abangena abatshela ukuthi banezilwane or abahluleki. Another thing abanye kuyekuthiwe banamakhosi. Most of them will dream. I don't know if you've ever experienced that dream, but uphuphe ngazathi kukhona impi yomhlaba. Like there's this war that is happening emhlabeni, kuvela ama-aliens azo-attack emhlabeni or people are fighting emhlabeni. But somehow where you are standing, you are not affected. You can actually see everything eyenzakalayo and there's just this war that is happening. A majority about they experience very universal. Dreams have to be universal. It's either you dream of Queen Elizabeth, someone that is known worldwide, universally. Queen Elizabeth, Barack Obama, Ramaphosa, all these hierarchy, leadership positions, people that are in leadership positions. Because wasawona lomoyo now, it's in that high rank yamakhosi. Yes, it's in that high rank yamakhosi. It's in that high rank yezanusi, nezazi, namajaji, nanani. They are all in that hierarchy rank. So symptoms will be quite similar ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuze sicabanga ukuthi no namakhosi or no unezazi no namajaji only to find out ukuthi uyilinda. Abanye bangenile ephehlweni bathi khwazi idlozi umuntu alikhwazi idlozi but afeel ukuthi ayifiki lento ayifiki idligobongo ayifiki lento to your point ukuthi ngisho noma ngene esontweni athi mhlambe nginesithunywa ahamba ayongena esontweni shawe esontweni kucule bemnandi but still aqhubeka bewuye.
Okay, the second question. Can you have amanye amadlozi lawa athwaselwayo situthi amalinda awathwasela and uhambe ephehlweni or wherever la uthwasa khona but still have no moya wamalinda?
All right. So the spirit samalinda, let's say you possess the spirit, right? You possess the spirit. So the spirit itself must figure kuwe sizoba i-governing spirit. What sigavena ini sigavena lesipho onaso ezophathanani. And as a governing spirit, that means the spirit is saying zonke lezi zipho ezilanga phansi kwami zi-settled, zi-right, zi-settled. So lesi sipho esingaphansi kungenza ukuthi ubungoma lobo buthwaselwayo, kungenza ukuthi isithunywa lesi kumele siyophakanyiswa, kungenza ukuthi mhlawumbe ubugedla. So let's say mhlawumbe ubungoma ukumele buyothwaselwa, right? Ngokundalo vele ubungoma buyathwaselwa. But kwenza ukuthi the type of gift umkhula kupha yona ubungoma indala, it's ancient. As ancient as it is, it carries the power, it carries the knowledge. It doesn't require ukuthi ihambe iphinde yothwaselwa futhi because umkhulu wathwasa. Whoever the first descendant wathwasa, maybe the second wathwasa, maybe the third wathwasa, intwaso ayisadingeki as lesipho silokusiza kanjena. That means sesifike sathola ibalance kwena. So yes, ngenza ukuthi ubungoma uphiwe uyisangoma, but ulokubona ama-symptoms, kuthiwa wena kumele uye ephehlweni wena. But uma ufika ephehlweni idlozi elingaphakami. Uthi uma ufika ephehlweni akukhiphe umkhulu athi phuma angikufuni lapho.
You're not answering my question. My question is, will you have isipho sokuthwasa ukuthi kumele uhambe uyothwasa ephehlweni?
Okay.
At the same time have igift yamalinda?
No.
That's my question.
No, Sithanda sami. No. Akwenzakali.
Okay.
Because whatever that you have ngaphansi kwakho, it has to correspond with the main gift that you have. If you give yakho ubungoma leno nayo neyithunywa nazo, they have to be on the same high rank. Nalesi sipho the main gift onayo. If you have any certain universal spirits that you have, they still have to be on the same high rank. So there's no way.
So there's no way ube umngoma or umthandazi or igedla same time ube nomoya wamalinda. So basically you are saying to me umoya wamalinda is a special one.
It's not a gift, but it's a spirit, right?
Yeah.
So masifika kuwe, it doesn't come as a gift, but it comes as a governing spirit.
Okay.
We understand?
Okay.
Yes. So yeah, it is a special one. It is, I agree.
Okay, are you done?
I'm good, I'm done. We can continue.
Darling, because you don't put it down to drink. On that note, nimzwile uchazile okuningi besichaza bengimcela ukuthi ufuna ke ngifundise ngamalinda, and of course afundise nani my munches and thoughts family. I thought I hope you are still having fun with us.
We are still fine.
So okay, we done ngamalinda.
Yes, we can continue.
Ngifuna sikhulume ngocansi.
Okay. Yay!
Ngifuna sikhulume nge-sex and spiritual gifted people.
Okay.
But before we go there, I want to read a manchi. One of the manchi sent me a comment.
Okay.
So now you put it ichaza if I was sex phakathi. Remember last time you said it's to fit through sex.
It's to fit through sex, and it got me into trouble. Yes.
Were you in trouble?
They burst me out, but then it's fine. I taught. And I've been experiencing that, and thank you so much that I've found answers to what is happening. So the episode did do justice. Thank you too much.
So you can still stand and say it's to fit through sex.
Highly mdasekhaya 100%. Nimanzi.
Umanzi kuphi?
Ukuthi isithunywa does fit through sex.
Okay. Is it to fit through sex? Let me read. I've always had very high sexual feelings. Godi Halong Tamoya, where I stayed 2 years and still after I stayed 3 years without sex. I then, a couple of years later, underwent ipetlo route, still very high sexual feelings, and that Gobela once swore at me, saying, when I sleep, I masturbate. I wondered how, because clearly she didn't need to announce that to her brother and husband. All she had to do was heal me, because clearly it was there for healing. So what happens in that case, gay? Okay, talk. Advice and yes.
High libido or a high sex drive that one would have. Omunye umuntu angayibona as ukuthi okay, they usually say une demon or whatsoever, but umoya isithunywa uses sex as a metaphoric message to actually send it to you. Let us think about sex. It's the mother side and the father side mating to reproduce something, to give birth to something, right? Now, la huwe nesithunywa sakho. And as it mates nawe, it will send a certain metaphoric message, and it will come as a high libido of sex. But it's somehow trying to tell you, allow me to be born so that I can work. Ngivumele ngiphakame, ngivumele ngizalwe. And the born, it's you usiphakamisa, it's you usebenzisa. So what she was feeling, somehow she had a confusion, or somehow she was thinking ukuthi usesohambeni lwesithunywa sazama ukusiphakamisa, but somehow it was actually trying to tell you ukuthi sengiphakeme, have confidence and siqale sisebenze. So sasesiphakeme isithunywa sakhe.
So isithunywa sifuna ucansi?
Not that sifuna ucansi ngendlela yakhe, but it was trying to tell you the high libido, if ibesesisebenza ngesikhathi lesi, if wayele wasinaka sasebenza ngesikhathi lesi, so the high libido was going to go down. Sharp. What example can I make? Like, you would feel as if like you want sex, but it's not actually that you want sex. The spirit in you is trying to send a message that ngivumele ngizalwe. It's like dreaming ulala nomuntu. Dreaming having sex with someone, or maybe having sex with okay, let's say this tunya comes from your mother's side of the family. You dream yourself having sex no sis wako, your own biological sister. Uphuphu have sex, and the sex is the most beautiful. Imnandi ngendlela emangazayo. Uzophunga uzoluvuka uchaza uthini lapho unesilwane. No. This tunya is trying to tell you ukuthi allow me to be reborn. Sengiphakeme, ngivumele ngizalwe. Idlamagobongo, do whatever that you need to do. But for the fact that it came with your sister's image, it's trying to tell you ukuthi I am from your mother's side of the family.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Yeah. So allow me to be born. Ungacabanga ukuthi angiphakamanga, ngivumele ngiphakame. Let me be born. Let me be awakened.
Okay. The second question. My mantra, I hope you are answered. Okay, what is the relationship between spirituality and sex?
It's very deep. It's very deep. Let me make an example. Ne? It's me and you, we are dating. And oftenly, I come to your house. Ngizolokhunjana, ngisemkipitweni wami vele, ngizele emkipitweni wami, umuntu wami usemkipitweni wakhe. Erumini lakho, wena phathanani, you are that type of a person okhulekayo, othandazayo. And as you pray, you create an energy pool la erumini lakho that only welcomes ithunywa phela, because uyile type ekhulekayo in most cases. So iroom lakho, it has that energy pool. You create that energy pool yokuthi it only welcomes ithunywa eyisebenzisana nani, eyisebenzisana nomkhuleko. So mina mangiza ngizovakasha kwena, mhlambe la ngihlala khona ngile type ephahlayo nje kuphela, abomkhulu bami amakhehla amayazi ukuthi azongithola lana, because mina the type of an energy pool that I've created in this room, it only welcomes amakhehla because ngiyaphahla in most cases, but I hardly ngikhuleke. So abogogo bami laba beyithunywa bayahluleka ukuxhumana nabangilethela amaphupho because of the energy. It doesn't welcome them endlini yami. So mangiza kwakho ngizolokhunjana ngizovakasha, i-energy yakho yasendlini, it allows abogogo bami beyithunywa ukuthi bakwazi ukuzocommunicate nami endlini. But bathola ukuthi mhlambe nayo i-energy yakho iyantenganyana nje mhlambe because you are kind of depressed or stressed nyana whatsoever. So the energy depends kuwe. Masipapatla senze sex. When we do this, we are awakening, we enticing the energy la endlini. Iyaphakama iba yiningi. Immediately you come and I come, mase silala leza ithunge lezana ziyakwazi ukungena. Then uthola ukuthi umuntu ahlezi athi manga boyfriend wami ngihlezi ngiyaphupha manje, ngiphupha into eziserious, ngiyabona hey wathi, and ngiphupha into engizibonayo. It's because of the sex that you practiced. It opened the portal ukuthi ithunga zakho zikwazi ukufika la ekhaya.
Okay, lovely. Just a general question.
And that's very dangerous. Hey? That's very dangerous.
What's dangerous?
The dangerous part here ukuthi if it becomes more like the energy ibe too much, ugcina wena sowukhanya, angithi vele wena uyakhanya, wena unesithunya sakho, wena mina ngiyakhanya, ugcine sowukhanya, and ezokhanya uthola ukuthi unamadlozi amnyama mhlambe afuna ukusetshenzelwa or afuna ukulungiselwa izinto. Umkhulu wakho ubugedla nyana wayenesithwalo sakhe bese ayasuka azozenza an adopted ancestor kimi, then abe attached nami. Makaba attached nami, mangiphuma lana ngihamba kwakho senginaleli dlozi engilithathile lakho esenginalo sengihamba nalo. The next thing leli dlozi malifika kimi lizosipresenta as ini umndawo ngimi, because it's a foreign ancestor to me. Then I'll find myself doing what? Ngiphupha injeti emeruni. The maroon jeti in itself, it's not a case of ukuthi ngiyithenge, but actually my sthunywa, it's trying to tell me ukuthi someone invaded your energy without your consent. Unedlozi elisha ungalazi. Bese wena uyahamba uyothenga
le ndlozi kwa boyfriend.
Le ndlozi engilithathe ka boyfriend. Bese wena uyahamba uyothenga leyo njeti leyo uhlale nayo lapha uyiphahlele uyibeke emadlozini akini uyisebenza, kanti uphakamisa lo yamkhulu ka boyfriend ongamazi. Abane nezithunya zakho nabogogo bakho beyithunya laba bakutholela phana ka boyfriend, because bona bebalaphana because energy beyivuma ukuthi babe laphana, but it was not a case yokuthi uzolanda amadlozi ongawazi. Then the next thing usulandelana naleli dlozi leli usulokuyasebenzela, selikufunani ke manje, selifuna ukuthi ulenzele umsebenzi, selifuna ukuthi uyoliparula, selifuna ukuthi uyoligeza. You don't know that person. Wenze ukuthi mina nawe sihlukane. And you must,
going there.
Wenze ukuthi mina nawe sihlukane. Now and again, if something happens empilweni yakho, umkhulu wakho uzobuya azongitshela. Ngizohlezi ngikuphuphela njalo, afika ngitshela ukuthi hamba utshela uphathanani ukuthi this is what na into yenzakala what. Sometimes futhi uthole nedlozi elihle elivela kuwe ezophathanani lifike lizonginakekela kanami, ezofike lingi-accept everything in spirituality. Phathanani, it goes into spirituality. It's not about purity. Spirituality, it's about duality. It's about understanding how to balance the darkness and the light. Nothing must be eliminated. The darkness must not be eliminated. The purity must not be eliminated. But both of them must be balanced. Because yonke into emhlabeni ihamba nga-two. In the spiritual universe, yonke into ihamba nga-two. So as much as I can be able to receive one, elimnyama kuwe, I can also be able to receive idlozi elihle nakuwe. As much as sex, it has power ukuthatha iy'nhlanhla zabantu. Sex also has power ukuvula iy'nhlanhla yomuntu.
Wow. Okay, please tell me here. If the question I wanted to ask is general. Umkipito kanjani na umasihlallisane fatense kubantwana bomoya or izangoma. Is it allowed? Because I think lately siyakubona man. I just need your thoughts, your understanding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Edlozini, it's not allowed ukipita, particularly umoya doesn't care whether uyakipita or you don't. Universal spirits don't care about that. But edlozini, it's very much a thing. Because why? Abomkhulu bethu usiko kukhulela ukuthi awuveli nje uhambe uhlala kamfana, but kumele kube khona inhlawulo ezibonisayo ukuthi umlisa lo uyabahlonipha, uhlonipha isibaya sabo. Mawasithi isibaya sabo, the womb of a woman in itself. Understand? Kubonisa ukuthi uyahlonipha isibaya sabo, akakhokho kumele akhokhe, akuthathe ngokusemthethweni. But universally, it's not much of a problem because of isithunya sakho singaxabanisa noma wakho ngamabomu. Your mother can be the fire element that has to push you to realizing the power that you have. And you will have no choice but whatever choice, whatever opportunity oyithola yeduzane kwakho ukuthi uphume ekhaya uzosebenzisa. Then uphume uhambe uye emkipitweni, mawufika emkipitweni uthola abantwana abawu-3 and all of that. Then later on in life you figure out ukuthi you are spiritually gifted and you start to judge yourself ukuthi ngabantwana abayi-3 na that are not abanabo baba bahlukene or whatsoever ngihleli kamfana in. When you start to judge yourself kanjalo bese that type of isithunya sakho that acts as the spiritual parent bese siyabuya kuwena ukuthi if ungazange uzohamba uhlala kamfana buzoyapi, buzohamba uhlala estradeni uthi no, sithi okay, it's fine. We have beautiful kids, right? Yes. Okay, it's fine. Did you steal something? No. Uhambile wayekhosh? No. Then ukhalelani? Why are you blaming yourself? Yes, bese why are you blaming yourself?
Okay. So uthi kimi kwelikamoya ungahamba ukipita.
Kwelikamoya ungahamba.
Edlozini
It's
babu emakhaya nimzuleke uchazile okuningi. Kwelikamoya siyahamba siyokipita. So we can go and kipita. Then Edlozini, it's a no. Let's do a chance because I love that. Are you still having fun with me?
We are.
Lovely. This is the last one, then we are closing the show.
Okay.
Because we can't give them everything. You can't come back because you finish your content.
Yeah.
As I proceed. Okay, explain to me why men have wet dreams and women have spiritual husbands.
Ikhona nje into spiritual husband kakade because it's not there.
Are you asking me? You can't ask me. I'm asking you.
It's not there. It goes back to
what is not there. I think you must tell when you said it's not there.
The spiritual husband.
What is that?
The spiritual husband, the spiritual wife, ntonton. It's not there. It's the same thing isangoma sizokutshela ukuthi unesilwane because of uphuphi sex. Then esontweni mofika utshela umfundisi ukuthi konke engilala naye ebusuku then athi une spiritual husband. It's not there.
Okay.
But what you're actually experiencing, it's the presence of the marine spirits osukuhamba nazo ngaleso sikhathi leso. Imimoya yasemanzini, guys, it likes to present itself using sex. Ngixoxeleni mina. Iyayithanda le nto leyo. Because why? Amanzi, they are the maternal energy in us singabantu. Ila sizalwa khona. Ila siphuma khona basically. We were birthed by that womb. Eyamanzi. So the only way they will be able to communicate not in most cases, one symptom that I know, it's sex. And let's say ungahamba uyophahla uthi ucela ama-answers uthi ucela isithunya sakho sikwazi ukusondelana nawe, hambe emanzini ufike uphahle, then mawubuya ntambama ifike lento ilale nawe. And ithi mayifika izolala nawe then uvuke kusasa uthi bengine-spiritual husband, kanti hayi befikile lo moya izokutshela ukuthi ngikuzwile. I saw you bokhona emanzini. And I just want to tell you ukuthi ngikhona. I'm there. Do not think I'm distant away from you, but I'm actually around. The only thing you will get to notice ukuthi the dream or there's something elala nami ngamampela. It's when ungalala na something then uvuke kuseni umanzi. Like it's either uvuke uchamile, like not uchama like, but you came, like you spammed, or noma uvuke umanzi umuntu wesifazane, that yeah, lapho ubuthunyelwe something. But if you woke up dry, but the sex was there and you dreamt of it and it was so good and all of that, then you should know that is spiritually. You should know there's a certain spirit that is a universal spirit or a marine spirit that is trying to communicate now. So it's a misinterpretation of the Christian doctrine failing to answer the spiritual part of it. Izangoma or its healers who are failing to understand the universal part of what is happening here. Ngake ngathi kubantu sleep paralysis lento ihlale phezulu kwakho mawulele. It's actually not demonic as we think. Yabona uma umuntu phathanani uma wakho makakuthwele la esibelethweni. Esibelethweni there's an amniotic fluid esuke khona iprotectile zomntwana. Kuba khona a certain marine spirit efike ihlale esibelethweni sikama wakho. Igade wena ezomntwana iprotected from any harmful spirits of some sort engafuni ukuthi ilokhu njana ikulimaze. Then ngelanga lapho uzozalwa khona lamanzi mawaphuma, that amniotic fluid mayiphuma nale spirit bese siyaphuma si protect the place la uzobe uzalelwa khona. Senze sure ukuthi umntana uyazalwa and that masekazaliwe that spirit siba attached to naleyo ngane leyo. Masiba attached to naleyo ngane leyo. That type of a spirit is like a what? It's like a universal spiritual parent. Egade loyo mntana loyo. You are a physical parent, but the spirit is like a spiritual parent that knows the purpose and the destiny yaloyo mntana loyo ukuthi mele uzokwenza nemhlabeni futhi uzeleni. Now and again leyo ngane leyo uma ibhekane nezinkinga empilweni nayo o leyo ngane leyo ilahlekelwa yindlela yempilo. Ivuka mhlawumbe ikhuleka ithandaza icela amandla and all of that. Leso spirit sizobuya ntambama. Sizofika kona sizokhama, but why sikhama? It's because imimoya yasemanzini isebenza kanjani. If you vibrate low, they also vibrate low. If you vibrate high, they also vibrate high. Mayifika kwen.
So you are saying there is nothing.
No, I'm calling
spiritual husband, spiritual wife, but wet dreams, yes, they are there.
Yes, wet dreams, they are there.
So if you've got like wet dreams, like you were having sex and then it happened that you come, because you were sleeping with
a certain entity.
But if yes, you had sex, but
yes,
no come, so which means you.
It's spiritually.
Okay, no, it's fine. I hope Nimzule usizwe ukhazile opening. Unfortunately, I need to close the show.
Yep.
So your word of wisdom before we go.
Okay. A self-discovery journey uhambo lukamoya alfani nengulo yedlozi. Ingulo yedlozi is something that you can do for 6 months ungene phehlweni bese uyaphuma uqeda, but you still have to continue uhambo lukamoya. But a self-discovery journey, it's all about you, mntasekhaya. And if it's about you, you need to embrace the confusion oyithola ungaphakathi kuyona because it is necessary. Amadlozi enza ngamabomu ukuthi angakhulumi nawe into straight directly. It's not ukuthi awakhoni but ayakhona. And the reason why they are putting you in a confusion because it's all about discovering ukuthi kahle amandla angaphakathi kwakho, because if they can be just strictly bakutshela ukuthi from one point to another uzofuna ukusuka uye lapho kanti you won't learn all the lessons that you have to learn. Sometimes you could be experiencing a certain confusion. Uphuphe something, uvuke ekseni, useshe ku Twitter noma useshe ku YouTube, uhlangane nophathana nakhuluma naye nomakhosi sizwe. Now you'll get to understand ukuthi okay, it's fine. Kusho ukuthi social media nayo ngokwayo, it's a portal. Therefore I need to choose who do I follow, who must I not follow, so that I can be able to acquire the same knowledge that resonates nami. So that the confusion, it's necessary, and embrace it. Do not want to skip the part of it because it's necessary at that particular time so that you can be able to be a sponge that sucks up all the knowledge that you will need at a later time in your future. Marcos.
On that note, it's a wrap and goodbye. See you guys soon. Thank you so much for your presence. I had fun with you. It's a wrap.